Today we are getting ready to go on a hike that is hidden in the middle of Peachtree City. It is literally this gorgeous nature area that is in the middle of the city that we didn't really know existed until recently. And we got our little boy Ancho here, already causing trouble.
And he's got his sweetheart.
He's got his little sweetheart. So we're gonna stop for coffee first because we ran out of milk and can't make coffee. So we're gonna stop and get coffee on the way and then start our pretty nature hike this morning. We made it to the nature preserve. Here we are. It's so pretty here. There's a lot of trees and everything. It's really nice. It has a little like creek that runs through it and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys a little bit of what it looks like. Hi, buddy.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Ancho. Hi, bye. You sweet boy.
Come on.
You can see here we're on a trail that has a little creek on it. So we just had Ancho like sitting by the water and everything. It's really, really pretty. There's the creek. It's pretty cool to be able to hike here because you can hear a little bit of the car traffic, so you know that you're still in the city, but we're literally surrounded by the woods here. And it's winter time. It's February 14th actually. It's Valentine's Day, and we're going on a little hike, so you can see that there's no leaves on the trees or anything like that right now. We're able to come out here and hike. It's only like 15-ish minutes from our house, which is lovely, so convenient. You can still feel like you're going out in nature without driving like an hour away. So it's great. What do you think of the mule rock? I love this slab area so much. We came here last time that we were here, and it's nice because you have just some like shallow water that Ancho can walk in a little bit and just kind of hang out and splash around. You're not supposed to swim in the water or anything like that, and I wouldn't because it's obviously February and it's cold. It's super cool. Love it. Hi, buddy. Hello. Oh, slippy. It's a little slippy.
It's crazy because this isn't slippery until water gets
Until it gets wet, yeah.
coffee will go in it, but
It's probably cold.
yeah, I don't want to drink though because there's
All right, so we just finished up the hike. It was lovely. Definitely will be coming back like maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, something like that. Now we're gonna go to Sprouts. We have to grab a couple things and then we're gonna go home. Got our Sprouts. We spent too much money there, as one does, but we got some good stuff. Got some taco meat and mix and some avocados. So yummy.